Namaste. Myself, Dr. Tanmay Goswami, President of Global Organization of Scientific Validation in Ayurvedic Life Sciences, an organization which works for helping people to get healthy by Ayurvedic medical system and also researches in Ayurveda. Not only in India, we have our branches at Russia, in Dubai, collaboration in various other countries. There is an international summit on Ayurveda happening at Uttar Pradesh, one traditional heritage ancient city, Farrukhabad, also named as Panchala Desh in ancient time. On 6th and 7th October 2023, which has been organized by Major S.D. Singh, PG, Ayurveda Medical College. My hearty congratulations to management and the team who has taken an endeavor to do this international summit on Ayurveda. I am going to deliver talk on geopolitical strength of India by Ayurveda and career of Ayurveda abroad. As in 21st century, India is the youngest country and coming up fifth, and now it's going to be coming up third economy, who is helping all around the world through its knowledge. How can Ayurveda be in the backseat? Ayurveda has a capacity to heal diseases which are difficult to get cured. They also can be cured through Ayurveda. It also helps in post-management of diseases like cancer and also help in chronic disorders. So it's a time where not only Indians, but all world diaspora should be able to get benefit and be benefited through Ayurveda to get best health and happiness. See you all soon at Major S.D. Singh PG Ayurveda Medical College at Farrukhabad and share knowledge of Ayurveda. Thank you.